Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a remarkable testament to the evolution of smartphones, combining cutting-edge technology with an innovative design that caters to both productivity and entertainment. With 512 GB of storage, this factory-unlocked Android smartphone offers ample space for apps, photos, videos, and documents, making it ideal for users who require extensive storage capabilities. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is its large 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that unfolds to provide a tablet-like experience. The vibrant colors and impressive brightness levels make it perfect for streaming videos, playing games, or multitasking. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience, enhancing everyday usage significantly. The outer 6.2-inch cover display is also functional, allowing users to access notifications, messages, and apps without needing to unfold the device. The multitasking capabilities of the Z Fold 4 are impressive, allowing users to run multiple apps simultaneously with ease. The taskbar feature, inspired by traditional computer interfaces, makes switching between apps a breeze. Samsung's DeX mode further enhances productivity, enabling a desktop-like experience when connected to an external monitor. Camera-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 doesn't disappoint. The triple lens system, which includes a 50MP main sensor, captures stunning images with impressive detail. Low-light performance is commendable, and the addition of software enhancements improves overall photography experiences. Battery life is another strong point, with the 4,400 mAh battery providing sufficient power to last a full day, even with heavy usage. Fast charging and wireless charging capabilities ensure that the device can quickly be powered up when necessary. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a game-changer in the smartphone market. Its unique design, robust performance, and high-end features make it an excellent choice for tech-savvy users seeking versatility. While it comes at a premium price, the investment is justified for those who will take full advantage of its capabilities.